Hello friends, welcome to the Winners Capsule YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are viewing my channel, then here is a short about it. This channel is focusing on making your day-to-day studies easy through simple videos on various topics for all classes under SCERT and CBSE syllabus. Hope this will help you to win at studies. All the best. Please to support the channel with a like and subscription. If you like my channel, please share it with your friends. Welcome to the playlist of classes on 8th standard physics. In this session, I'll be discussing some important conceptual based questions which is quoted in your textbook. So let us move on to the topic distance and displacement. I have already explained the theoretical part in the previous session and the link is given in the description box also. If you haven't watched it, please watch it first and watch this particular video. Okay, so let us move on to the discussion. Question number 1. Consider the figure. We can able to observe one figure that a person is going to start from home to office through school, and afterwards he is going to return back to home, and the path is mentioned very clearly. Please answer the following questions. You have to recall what is the difference between distance and displacement, and the link is available in the description box and I button. Question number A. What is the distance traveled from home to office? So look at home and office. The path traveled from home and school. Sorry, home and office. So let us see what about the path traveled from home and office. First of all, the person travels from home to school. Okay, home to school. See, you can see home to school around 300 meters. From after reaching the school, another 500 kilometers traveled by that person. Okay, finally he is reaching from home to office. So that is a total path traveled from that person from home to office. That is equal to 300 plus 500. 300 plus 500. What is the answer? It is obviously 800. So 800 meter. 800 is the right answer. Question number B. What is the distance traveled from office to home? See, office to home. So let us see the path. So 750. 750. After traveling 750, the person will be reaching at a ration shop. Then after that, from ration shop, he is going to travel towards home another 600 meter. So you can make the summation. 750 plus 600. 1350 meter. That would be the right answer. Question number C. What is the displacement from home to office? You should be very much careful. What is displacement? It is a straight line distance and also it's a vector quantity. See, look at the straight line distance. Where is the straight line distance? Can you able to see the straight line distance? Students, please observe the diagram very carefully. Here, what is the straight line distance? Obviously, 600 meters is the straight line distance from home to office. Therefore, I need to choose the answer as 600 meters. Only you have to accept for the straight line distance. The direction matters a lot in case of choosing displacement. Suppose a man is traveling 600 meters from house towards south direction. Let me know, will he reach at office? Okay, the starting position is at home only. So first you mark the direction. Like this direction will be marked. This is very important. If you are preparing for a different examination in future, this is required. North, then south, then east, then west. Look at this. So what is the question? Suppose the man, here man is standing right now. Suppose a man is traveling 600 meters from house towards the south direction. So what about the south direction? Towards the south direction. See, towards south direction means like this. Towards the south direction, will he reach at home? Never. 600 meters. He is traveling another 600 meters, but he may not reach at office. He is going somewhere else. So we cannot predict. But if he travels towards the direction of east at 600 meters means definitely he will reach at office. But here it is highly impossible. So what is answer? No, he won't reach at office. So please find out the simple questions and try to answer it. Likewise, some kind of questions can be expected in your examination also. At least you should have a good concept about the distance and displacement. Then only you can solve these kind of problems. Okay, moving on to the next question. A boy has thrown the stone vertically at a height of 9 meters and fell down his hand after a few seconds. The same stone has fell down his hand after a few seconds, but the time not mentioned, not required for us. Fill the table, fill up the table. Boy is here. See what he is doing. He is going to. He's. Let me consider this a position of the boy, and he is going to throw the stone at a distance of 9 meters. Correct? 9 meters. After some time, at this particular point, the stone will come back to his hand. Okay. That means the distance will be same. That means boy's hand to the upper portion is equal to 9 meters. After completion of the certain portion, it is coming back to his hand. Okay. Now let us see the table. Stone reaches at the top position. This is the top position. Remember that top position. Look at this. Stone reaches at the top position. What is the distance? It will be 9 meters. Stone reaches at the top position. What about the displacement? Same only. Displacement and distance both are same because it's a straight line. Correct? No? He's going to throw the stone at straight line. A stone reaches back to his hand. So after traveling 9 meters, again it is traveling back another 9 meters. Upward direction 9 meters, downward direction 9 meters. So what is the right answer? 9 plus 9 meters. 9 plus 9 means 18 meters. Do remember this, 18 meters. Now displacement. See, displacement means it is traveling to 9 meters. Immediately it is coming back to another 9 meters. So 9 minus 9. So if suppose consider the path. Okay, like this. This is 9 meters. Finally, the reverse direction is also 9 meters. So what is the displacement at A? It will be 0 only. Same manner you have to consider 0. So you have to identify the relation between distance and displacement. Let us solve few more questions so that you will understand the concept very clearly. Students, I hope you are understanding. If not, please put up in the comment box. Your comments are very much important for me. Look at another question. A man starts at the journey from the point P. Listen carefully. And he is traveling to Q through different position like S and R. And finally, he is returning back to P. Now, understand the distance. All dimensions are given in meters: 70 meters, 60 meters, 30 meters, 50 meters, 80 meters. Do understand, do follow up. Now, let us fill up the table. Distance while reaching at S. So, while reaching at S, what could be the distance? So, P to S, what is the distance? Obviously, it is 70 meters. 70 meters. Then, at a particular point R, what about the distance? So P to S, then S to R. What is P to S? It will be 70. Okay, 70 plus 60. So what is 70 plus 60? It's obviously 130 meter. Okay, 130 meter. When he reaches at Q, what about the distance traveled? Then again, 70 plus 60 is already there. That means PS plus SR. Then towards Q, he is going to travel another 30 meters. Can you able to make the summation? Well, how much it is? You just count it. Use the calci. Don't need to use the calci. You have to can do it from your mind only. So 160, right? 160 meter. Then he is going to return back to P. Then another 80 kilometers, like this. So from P, like this. Okay. Hope you are understanding. Then you have to add another 80. So 160 plus 80, that means 240 meter. So this is the way how to calculate the distance. It is quite simple, but while calculating the displacement, you should be very much careful. See, displacement while reaching at the point S, same only. Distance and displacement will be same because it's a straight line path. Then at R, look at the straight line path. The straight line path from P to R is in this fashion. Look at this. So I need to choose the displacement is equal to 50 meter. Clear? Now Q. Let us look at the Q. What is the straight line path? Straight line path will be 80 only. So 80 meter. Now what is the displacement at P? So P to P. The displacement will be 0 only. Okay. So this is the way how to fill the table. These kind of questions will be definitely asked in your examination. In case any clarification, you can mail me. I can help you out. Okay, this is very simple. Identify the difference between distance and displacement. Once again, you can able to watch my previous video so that concept will be very much clear. So let us move another example. Evaluate the distance and displacement for the figure 1 and figure 2. This is figure 1. Note down, this is figure 1. Which is figure 2? You can see another one. This is figure 2. See, they have already written the figure 2. Yes. So you have to calculate the distance. First, I have to calculate the distance from A to C. What is the distance from A to C? So how to calculate the distance from A to C? The distance from A to C is equal to distance. I'm talking about the distance. Okay, A to C. 30 plus 40 plus 30 plus 40. See, 30 plus 40. How much it is? 70 meter. 70 meter. This is actually distance. Okay, please write it neatly. Now let me know the displacement. What about the displacement? The displacement is equal to how much? Displacement A to C. It's a straight line distance that is equal to 50 meter. So you can mention it as displacement. Okay, displacement. Displacement is a vector quantity. Consider figure 2. So what is the distance between A and C? What is the distance between A and C? Distance. Please calculate. 60 plus 40. 40 plus, sorry, 60 plus 40. Better write 60 plus 40 only. Systematically do it. 60 plus 40. How much it is? 60 plus 40 is equal to 100 meter. This will be the distance between A and C. What about the displacement? Because distance and displacement is same here because it's a straight line path. So A to C displacement is equal to how much? Displacement. Same value. Displacement is also 100 meter. Okay. Do understand. Let me ask one more question to you. Consider figure 1. What is the displacement at the point A? Displacement will be 0 only at point A. At point A, displacement will be 0. So these are the typical examples. I hope you understood the concept how to calculate distance and displacement. I think you can apply it for different application level questions. It will be helpful for your +1 classes also because these fundamentals are required so that you can go ahead with a higher level. Okay. So let me make a conclusion. When do you say that distance and displacements are identical? Yes, there is a condition. What is the condition? Can you please recall the condition? Yes. The distance and the magnitude of displacement will be equal when an object is traveling in a straight path. I have shown you different examples. Look at the first condition. What is the displacement at displacement between P and S? That is 70. What is the distance between P and S? 70 because it's a straight path. One more example I would like to show you. PQ. So what is the distance and the displacement of PQ? It is 80 only. Okay. And what is the displacement and distance between A and C? That is 100 meter in figure 2. So these are the typical example. So we could make a conclusion. In case any questions, please put up in the comment box. Surely I will revert. Finally, in the coming session, I am going to discuss about the remaining part of the motion. And finally, thank you for watching this video.